okay, and it's very much important. State lock, we call it. Okay, so it's one of the important topic asked in your interview questions also. So I thought of doing it. It seemed like backend state file what we did. It's same similar like that only, but here we are using an extra part of DB, that is DynamoDB. Okay, except that rest all is same. Okay, so I have given steps to understand and make you like understand what it is, how it is. Then you can go through it. Okay, this last time we have done it, right? 1 minute. Last time we have completed remote state management, right? We did this. Yes, 3 backend. Yes. And what are the few of the concept I have explained? Yeah. Yes, DynamoDB. So here the state locking is very much important. Why it is important? Because to first is for security, second is for collaboration, and all the histories should be recorded. Whatever who is taking what they are taking, every information should be recorded here. That's the reason state locking. Okay, again state locking. Okay, I'll tell you in diagrams so that you will have an information. What I have shared. Okay. I'll tell you here in the paint so that you will understand what I'm trying to tell. Okay, one is for S3. Okay, that what and another one is for DynamoDB. Okay, what does this two things will do? Okay, S3 is for the storage. We know. Okay, for whatever our state file, everything will be stored here. Okay, once the file everything is stored here, right? So whatever the changes, everything is happening. It is in the remote rather than local. Okay, it will be in the remote such that all the configuration. See, state file is something which will keep all your history, right? So that should not be leaked because data is very much important for a company. So all these things will be in the remote as that it will be stored in the remote access. Okay, sorry, remote that is on your AWS. Okay, that is we will use for S3 lock. Okay, that we call a state lock. Okay, another one is what is like DynamoDB. What does it do? Okay, sorry. Huh. Dynamo. Okay, DynamoDB. What does it do? Let's say there is one dev who is working. Okay, dev one. Okay, there is another person, dev two. Okay, so what he will be doing? These both are working on the same thing. Okay, let's say without knowing, they don't know. Okay, they are working on the same changes. Whatever they are working at what it was particular time, same time they are working on this. Okay, some changes he made. Okay, let me pull it up. They have made same thing, some changes, but here what happened until and unless the other person is not coming here, okay? This developer one is not completing his task, he other the person cannot enter. Developer two cannot enter into his task. Okay? Why? Because that a time that we will call it is a state lock. Okay, state lock means one until and unless another person is working, he cannot work into that path. Okay, that is what state lock will be used for this purpose. The state lock will be used, but both the combination of S3 and DynamoDB will take place here. Okay, so we will go through it. What it is, I have explained you here. What it is, how it is. Okay, so .tf state tracks your actual AWS resources. If it's lock risky in production, always store it in S3 bucket. Okay, why we should use DynamoDB? Because for locking, okay, prevent two people from running apply at the same time. So how to manage and all this is like we store the file in the S3 and use Dynamo for state locking to prevent current apply operation. So all this is like simple. What I told, the same explanation here they are saying. Okay, see, this is the process which you have to follow. Okay, understand what it is, how it is. In this, what are the things we are going to see is, see, one more thing I want to show you here. Okay, when I click on this main.tf, okay, there is some link opening. Okay, where all oh, it's not opening now. Okay, usually there is a one there is one link which was opening, but now it is not. Okay, but that's fine, you people can try. I want to show you something. Now it's not working. Not this one. Okay, okay, not this one. Okay, there was another page. If I found anywhere, I'll give you. Okay, there's nothing, just a small explanation they have given, what it is, how it is, and all. Okay, I think I have taken one link. I'll let you know. Okay, in this document I have not attached. I'll share you. Okay, coming to this class, I have added for what all things we want. We want main.tf, okay, and what other thing we want is we want output.tf and we want variables.tf. Okay, these are the thing. And one more thing is backend.tf. Okay, these are the five files we will be using, and then we will five three four files we will be using, and then we will see how our DynamoDB is working. Okay, first is let's understand each thing what it is, and then we will do. Okay, here we are saying provider, that is AWS. Region we are giving var.region, means any region might be there. Okay, whichever configuration we have given, that region, in that region only it will fall. Okay, resources is AWS. Okay, S3 bucket and Terraform state. S3 we are using for Terraform state. Bucket is var, and bucket name you have to give. Okay, force destroy is true, means if some, if you have to destroy, then it is okay, so you can do it. And versioning we are giving enable true. Okay, server side encryption we are giving configuration as rule. Okay, apply server side encryption by default. SSC algorithm log, that is AES, means until and unless you don't go and delete it, it will not delete. Okay, here tags we are giving that the Terraform bucket, Terraform state bucket. Okay, again environment we are giving variable dot environment. Okay, again resources is dynamo, till here it's related to S3. Okay, now comes our DynamoDB. What does it says? Table state log should be there, var dot log table, pay per request. Okay, and hash key is equals to lock ID. Attribute should be name, lock ID, and type is yes. Okay, lock it if somebody, if they are, applying changes or something, that it is saying. Tag here it is saying name is equals to Terraform lock table. Okay, environment will be var dot environment. Okay, this is the first step which will be involved in our nodes. Okay, so what we will do is we will take it and we will set up one file. Okay, take this. Okay, before that, let's go with everything and do everything at once. Okay, then what will happen here? Terraform, sorry, output.tf, that is output is equals to S3 bucket name. Value, I'm saying AWS S3 bucket name dot terraform underscore state dot bucket. Okay, DynamoDB table value is like DynamoDB table state log. Okay, so all these things information you people also can give. Okay, same thing, but what you have to change, I'll tell you. Here it is variable.tvf, means I'm into US US West 2 region. So you people select whichever region you are. Bucket name variable. So here I have given this bucket name. It's Terraform Remote State, whatever is a techie. Okay, you can give this form. Okay, and then variable log table, and you can give default Terraform log is this one. Environment variable is this. Okay, in backend, see actually, huh, okay, backend also you have to give the same name. Okay, uh, yeah. So one minute, bucket name, it should be similar in both the state form. Okay, you people can give the same name here also. Huh. So S3 bucket, okay, bucket name will be this one. Key is what? Dev project terraform.tf US. Again, this is my region, so you people should change your bucket name only. If bucket name is this, your also bucket name should be same. Rest all is same. Okay, region whichever is you have given, that you give. DynamoDB we have given state terraform log, that only should be there, and encryption should be true. So these are the four files which you will be adding in your uh, VS Code, and we will run. Okay, before that I will also check is there any S3 running on my console. Okay, I am into Oregon, that is my US West 2 region. Okay, I'm into this US West 2 region. So I will go here and I will try to launch the S3 bucket. Okay, launch, no, I will see, sorry, I will see whether any buckets are there or no. Okay, because we are going to update some things, right? So we will see S3 general buckets are not there currently in the same region I'm into, but there is no region. See, there is no bucket. Okay, and I will also see there is any DynamoDB. There is no DynamoDB also, right? Dashboard also I can't see, and tables also I can't see, and I'm into same region. Okay, so what we will do now, we are going to robot. Robot is giving water to plant. Okay, nice. So what we will do? We will do changes here. See, I have already done the configuration. Everything is ready for me. Okay, where what I did, I went into this main folder. Under this, I have created bucket name by name bucket end sorry, backend setup. Okay, see one thing you remember, if you give .tf, it will consider, no matter it is folder also, your Terraform will consider it as file only. Wherever .tf is there, that is considered as file. Even though it is folder, it is considered as file. That you should keep in mind. Okay, but rest all in that file, whatever you are giving, you can give .tf. Okay, so backend you give setup. Okay, that is the file name which I have created. Then what I will do, uh okay, what are the things I have created, I'll tell. Whatever you can see in purple color Terraform, no, only that much I created, rest all is created by AWS. Okay, so what I did, I am into this, I have given the same thing, whatever I have added there, all are same. Okay, I did not do any changes, everything is same for me. Second, I have gone with output. This output I have created. And then second thing, then later what did I do? I went with the variables. Variables. Okay. Then I have given the variables. Okay. Then what did I do? I have changed the so these are the files which I have added. Okay. Variables I have given. Backend, then later this first one is main, second is output, third is variable, and fourth one I have given backend. Okay. This is my backend file. Right? Clear everyone? So you people can do the same thing. Even I did same mistake here. Okay. So let's do it and create the bucket now. Okay. You people should take all these things at once. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we will do, first we will go with main.tf. We will do control yes. Okay. Control yes. Then first part is, first thing we should we should see, it should come to our mind is in which path we are. Okay, and which terminal we are. I'm into what PowerShell? No, I want to go with what WSL Ubuntu. I will see which path I am into. LS. I should enter because my file is inside this folder, right? Directory. So I'll do CD AWS underscore EC to enter. LS you do. You get this path. Okay. In this water, which is our file, backend setup is our file. Yes or no? This backend setup, in that only we are doing, right? This is our folder. In that only we are doing the changes. So for that, I'll do CD. I'll say backend. I'll take the same name here. Okay. No space. Enter. I am into this folder. Yes. Now I will do Terraform in it. Okay. So I will not go with plan because it will take time for plan also. Okay. Okay. Here it is taking, it did not recognize. I have given where failed to get existing bucket. Furzine does not exist. Line number. Bucket name. Variables. Backend. Failed to get existing bucket. DynamoDB is encrypted. Use log file instead. Huh. See, just now I have changed that bucket name, so it is not giving me the output. It is asking me wait for some minutes. Okay. So till that you people can do it. Okay. You do the configuration and be ready with that. It will happen in some time. Let's wait. Okay. Till that you people, do the setup and try. So I have set Terraform in it, reconfigure means I did some changes, no, so it did not take. Now it is happening, it is initializing. Okay, let's wait till that you people can also do. Okay, see here in Terraform, this is the bad thing that we should wait for some time. Okay, and during studies it might be little complicated. Okay, but yeah, you have to. Hmm. Okay. Please wait for a minute. Again, it is showing the same thing.
We need to create this bucket previously before this one.
Yeah, yeah, I have created one.
You have to create a one.
Yeah, that's the reason it is showing. Okay, I'll fix this. Okay, let's wait for some time, but you people can perform this. Okay, let me fix this. 1 minute. Hmm.
Hello.
Anyone is getting Shiva, anyone got it? Currently, I am getting error because I have to fix few things. Okay, it takes time. So if anyone is getting, can you please share your screen? I'll guide you fast. Only you have to perform steps. That's it.
Initiated. Yeah, initiated. I mean, initiation is running plan. When I try that plan, I'm getting some errors. It's showing the
You,
Terraform requires a state log of the project state. I'll ping you the Terra if you maybe it's easy to understand you.
yeah, yeah, please, huh?
This is for plan, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I run the plan and got something.
One minute. Error dynamic put response 400. Error requiring the state log. Terraform a state log to protect the state from being written multiple users at the same time. Okay, fine, fine. Whatever like, you have changed the region, whatever it is, or you have
Yeah,
not changed.
I didn't change any reason because I'm using the same reason.
Okay,
So,
so it's not
Guwahati.
happening. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the same reason, and I created the S3 bucket. So after
Okay.
run, I created S3 bucket only. I'm able to run that initiated.
That's the reason it's not happening. Okay. See, that's fine. No problem. It's the same process. You people can do it. Okay. Don't use in the same region. Use another region with another name, another bucket. Okay. Another bucket in the sense bucket name. Of course, bucket name will not take, but you can do it. Okay. For now, right? So the output of it is there. I'll tell you. Okay. We will keep this last if time permits. We will do. Okay. I don't want to sit and waste time on this. Okay. So currently getting an error. That's fine. But I have given everything step by step for you people, so you people can do it. Okay. So it's the same what we did last time. It's the same as it is. Okay. So now what we will do, for now we will skip this, okay? But only thing is how we have done back in time, like the same thing will come, only DynamoDB will be added there, okay? That's the only process, but currently I am getting so much of error because I have already created. So backend, right? So once locked, it cannot do, okay? So that's fine. We will go with the next step, okay? Uh, so if time permits, I'll definitely check out this when I have in between time, right? So let's go. I want to go with the next topic. Hmm. Okay, see, this is easy topic to understand. Okay, but we will see what and how. Okay, here it is showing like how to integrate our GitHub to our repo. Okay, simple. Everything, if we know it, if we know Git, then it's easy. Everything we are doing same, but we are adding Terraform dot tf in sorry main dot tf in our file. That's it. Okay, one more file will be added. Okay, so I believe most of them knows how to do the repo, create repo, everything you people are aware, I believe. Okay, I will tell step by step and we will do it now. Okay, so create GitHub repo. Okay, create one folder by name Terraform Git. Okay, clone it to the directory I have saved. Like, it's like prepare your directory completely free. Okay, in that whichever file you're cloning, it should be main.tf folder. In that you will be adding only this much. Okay, provider, AWS region, prepare it. Okay, and then we will push to our GitHub. Our output will be, final output will be like this. Okay, DevOps, whatever it is, main, and the provider is this, and the main.tf file will be, you can see in your, on your terminal. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, so if you are getting confused, I'll tell you in short. Okay, we will do everything hands on, such that you also on get confused what I'm trying to tell. Okay, so till that, I'll close my system, like I'll VS Code for DynamoDB, and we will do with the next one. DynamoDB is similar what we have done. So you people please go and do with the another region with another bucket name. Okay, 1 minute. Let me open the file. Okay. Okay, so I have created one file by name Terraform Git. Okay, I have prepared here one folder in my desktop which is called as Terraform Git. So I'll go here. Okay, then I will go to PowerShell. Okay, enter. Once I do, I'll just go to my VS Code. Okay, from the same path. It is open, right? So now what I will be doing, I have one thing I told you in the notes only. I have added this same thing. You should not do, no need to do anything. The same provider what is there, no, in the main.tf folder you are going to add this. In your main.tf folder you are going to add the provider, okay, which I have added here. Can't see, yeah. Okay, fine. Not there. It went. Okay, no problem. I will just add this. Okay, add it. Hmm. I have added the provider. Okay, then I'll save the file. Okay, here in which terminal I will be? I will be in which terminal? I'll be in the git bash, because we are working on git now, right? So we will go here, and then what we will do? So I'm into master branch. Okay, I will see whether I'm into any repo or no. Then I'm into this branch repo, DevOps project Git branch. And how you have to do, you people know because you have already done that. Okay. So if you are not, if you, let's say if you are not into any repo, then go with the Git origin add, Git remote origin add with whatever the path, and it will be there for you. Okay. So let's go back to our Git. Okay, and let's see what is the output, how the output will run. We will see that. Okay, so I believe everyone, okay, you people do it. Create a folder by name, anything you can give, Terraform Git or whatever. In that you should create one file. Under this file only have created. Okay, that is main.tf you should create. Okay, and then this is rest all I gave. Okay, with simple test and this test wala file I only gave. You also can do anything if you want to do. Create a file. Okay, so I have checked my remote space minus v, and I'm into this branch. Okay, I will go to my git branch, and github, and I will see where, in which for branch I'm into. Okay, so okay, I'll go see, I'm into DevOps project, so I'm into this folder. Okay, currently I can see this, right? So what we will do, we will configure we will create one more file better. Okay, for your understanding, no, we will create one more repo, and we will try doing there, such that you will not have any confusion rather than telling here. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one repo by name. We will say Terraform Git only. Okay, Terraform Git repo we will call. Okay, and we will keep it public. Rest all is same. Okay, test wala anything, all configuration public only. Create a repo. On this we will add what was the output, no, that we will add. Okay, to do that, what I will do, I will take this. Okay, and then I will go to my terminal. Then I'll tell here what, 1 minute, what it is showing by. Hmm. So here what I will do, I will add things here. Okay, so I'll say git remote, okay, origin add with that file URL. Okay. Hmm. क्या हो गया, unknown command origin.
You need to change the master to main. We are in the master now.
Let it be in master only. That's fine. It's saying origin already exists. So I'll give another name, origin or something I'll give. Okay. Hmm. So git remote minus v. Then I will just now we created no Terraform git repo is our repo. Okay. There I want to configure. Okay. Now what I will do, I will commit the changes. Okay. Let's say I will write something here such that it will recognize test again. Okay. Control A S. Then done, everything modified. Now I will do git add. Okay, then I'll go with git remote, git commit minus yum message anything test. Okay, everything ready. But let us go and see on our repo. Is there anything possible? No. Still I we can't see because uh still it did not push, right? I did not push it yet, right? So what I will do, git push origin, but origin is already occupied, so I have given origina something. Okay, master. Now it is pushed. See, I got this. Everything same. Terraform the same thing, everything just I'm pushing. Okay, here you can integrate, you can do any changes whatever you want and all. From there you can fetch and do the details. Okay, this is a small integration thing, like how to integrate and all. The same thing, course whatever we want to take it here, then you can do it. Okay, this is the process of integrating git and Terraform. Okay, so the next step is what we are going to do is workspace. What is workspace? Okay, let's say it's an isolated state environment in Terraform. It allows you to reuse the same code for a different environment like a dev, stage, and prod. Okay, every workspace has its own state file. Okay, see example. Let's say the same code. Okay, I'm using for dev. The same code I'm using for stage. The same code I'm using for production. Okay, so your code is same, but stages are different. That is only workspace we are giving. Okay. The workspace is an isolated state Terraform that allows you to use the same code with different environment. I have given two times. Kya? Haan, sorry. Haan. So here what we are going to do is we will perform some steps. Okay. What are the steps? Okay. First, we will go to one of our folder. Okay. We will create one folder by name. What? We will create a folder by name workspace. Okay. So already I have the file created by workspace. कहाँ पे है? नहीं है तो भी कर लेंगे. Hmm. Okay, no problem. I will create one file by name workspace. Okay. Then I'll go to VS Code. Hmm. So workspace is there, created. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the same steps. Okay. What we did for our GitHub, no, same thing. Okay, but not with GitHub, but with our uh, what WSL. Okay. So terminal, what you're going to add? Here you're going to add what? So here you're going to add the same providers. Okay. Before that, we will create by name workspace. Okay. A folder will be workspace one. We will give. Okay. Sorry, folder. It should not be file. Sorry, it should be folder. Okay. Folder, folder, Terra, workspace. Okay. This we have created. Under that, we will create one file now. Okay. What we will create? Main.tf. We will create one file here. Okay, what we will give? We will give the providers of AWS stating that I want on the simple thing. We will, okay, what we will do, we will take this provider and then we'll put it here. Okay, control AS. We'll come back again. Okay, so this is a no small state file which I have given. Okay, and then which folder I'm into, sorry, which WSL. Okay, 1 minute, it is not on. My WSL is not running. 1 minute, I have to close this. Hmm. Okay, so I have to go to WSL. Okay, I am into WSL. Now what we have to do? We have to create a Terraform workspace. Okay. Currently, so we don't have anything. How to check the Terraform space? Okay. First thing, what same thing we are going to do is Terraform minute. Okay. Then later we are going to create one file by name Terraform workspace new dev one. Okay. And same thing we will do, and we will see how to check the workspace also. Okay. Workspace will be checked with the Terraform list. Okay. But before that, we should also tell Terraform, it should initialize. First, it should start. Otherwise, it won't recognize us. Okay, why it is showing like this? Because I did not go into the working directory. Ter workspace. Okay, Terraform init. It is getting from the latest version. It's installing blah blah things. Okay, so yeah, you have to check it on. Our .terraform has been come. License.txt also has come. Okay, Mozilla. Some information will be your all the configurations are here. Okay. Okay. So it got it. Okay. Now what we will see? We will see where I'm writing. Okay. Okay. So Terraform. Okay. Workspace list. We will not find any list because there is no list. Okay. So we have to create one environment. Okay. That what we are going to study is Terraform workspace new dev. Okay. Or new dev or whatever it is. You are going to create it. The new workspace. Okay. Currently we don't have anything. So we will take this and we will check here. Just the workspace into different scenario with same files. Hmm. See, currently I am having only default. Okay, so what I will say, Terraform, same thing. Okay, workspace. Instead of this, I will say new developer, something you created. Okay. Okay, so you can see dev is created. Now what I will do, I will go with what Terraform workspace list. Okay. Terraform workspace list I will do, and then I will see the now what I will be seeing the list now. Okay. If yes, then you have to. You can see, right? Dev is created, right? Dev is created now. Then what I will be doing, okay, so like that same thing again, so we will not do any changes here in main.tf. We will not do any changes. Everything we will keep it same. What we will do, here we will only write the Terraform, okay, new dev. We will do Terraform workspace new, sorry, dev no stage we will do, okay, stage prod whatever it is, and then we will keep it, okay. So we will, when we do it, our next stage also will be prepared. Yeah, to check again what I'll do, Terraform workspace list. It will give me the two workspace list. Okay. See, there are two things. One is default, or another one is dev, another one is stage. Okay. Currently, I'm into stage, so it is showing the star mark. Okay. So like this, you can do it. Okay. In this form, workspace is divided in the Terraform. Okay. Yeah. So next thing is, what we are going to do is, we will see the drift. What is Terraform drift? Okay. See, Terraform. Hmm. So Terraform drift is what? Okay. So Terraform drift is something, okay, which will happens on the actual infrastructure, okay, in the cloud and all. Okay, simple to say. Let's say there are two developers. Okay. I don't know. Is it all screen or what screen? 1 minute. Huh. So there is like two developers. Okay. One did what? One is working on the Terraform. Okay. This EC2 instance we have created. Okay. EC2 instance has been created on Terraform TF. Okay. But later what happened after some time, or like whatever it is, then later what happened? Okay. What he did, another developer came, okay, and he changed manually something very small thing only, but he did something manually. Okay. So next time when this dev one again, when the other person dev one, when he will be working, he will face something called as drift. Okay. Drift means whatever you did it on the manually automation, that if you did it on the manual, then it might get Terraform might get confused. Currently I am getting an error, you might have seen, right, for state locking. So this is why, because there is something which will not take it. Okay. If you are not giving the code wrong correct, it will not take the output. Okay. So your drift also is like that only. Okay. So drift means what here? Terraform drift happens when the actual infrastructure state in the cloud, okay, that's Azure, no matches what if what is defined in your Terraform configuration and state file. Okay, Terraform thinks resources look one way based on a tf.state. Okay, that's what it is showing. Okay, it don't understand what resources, what changes happened in the dot state file. Okay, but someone changed those resources outside of Terraform. Okay, so now there is mismatch. The what this is, which is called drift. When there is a mismatch, that is called drift. In your interview, they will ask what is drift. Okay, or they will say they'll ask you question, if you do manually, if let's say there's manual changes, there will you face any issue or what is that karke they will ask you. Okay, that time you must say yes, there's an option called Terraform drift, from that I can change, I can see. Okay, so here also, I have given an example, okay, how to detect and all. We can go when we do it and all. It will say, okay, Terraform will compare your local configuration and state with the actual information, and if there is a drift, you will see the output like this. Okay, it will say ACL private. Okay, that is public read. Okay, some output it will give. Okay, but there is a simple fix for this, which I will tell you in some time. Okay, how to fix this? Okay, we have to reconcile with Terraform pre-configured, update your .tf code to match the real infrastructure in the change was intentional. Okay, run the Terraform to bring the infrastructure back to and match the Terraform. Okay, update the unmanaged changes, whatever you have done, either you update or you can you can bring out. Okay, you can go with Terraform input. Okay, and give the resources ID, it will give you the output. Okay, this is all what a conflict. Okay, this is all a conflict like GitHub, which it will happen. Okay, so here also, why drift is a problem, because it causes inconsistency between code and actual infrastructure. Okay, can lead to unexpected issues during Terraform apply, reduces the trust in infrastructure. Has okay, this is too much. Okay, but they're only saying there's a problem. Okay, but all problem solution is only one thing. You have one more option called Terraform plan space. I know refresh. Actually, two hyphen two hyphens. Okay, to hyphen refresh hyphen only means it will auto accept whatever changes you have made on the cloud. See, cloud is the main part. Okay, code is your writing. If something happened, some changes you people made, then you should go and tell ki whatever happened. Okay, refresh it, and if changes happen, accept that refresh and go with the particular code, then it will take your code. Okay, this is what the drift is. You can only run, instead of conflicting and all those changes, you can go with the simple code, that is Terraform hyphen refresh only. Then it will take all your changes whatever you have done on your Terraform. Okay, so this is the process. Anyone has any doubts with respect to these things?
No, all good. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So I will take your doubts. A few people might be there. Prakash had some issue, or somebody also has some issue. Okay, right, which I will take it up. Okay, but I will tell you now the process. Okay, see, yeah, cell is what, only this is the concept which was there. Okay, so I request everyone, please do DynamoDB and send me the screenshot whatever the output. Okay, I'll fix this, and if time permits I'll do it now. Okay, until that I have to go with another region, change something, no, so it will say take some time, I will do it. Okay, but I will take your questions also, we have sufficient time. Okay, what all we did is like intro part, setup is 3 S3 static website hold back, and we have done, and all this, some of the terminology we have understood. Provisioners means what, variables is what, modules means what, on like on Terraform how the cloud view happen, modules is what, registry is what, state remote state management is what. Okay, and some of the terminology how security will happen, in that we also saw how to create IAM user, role user, give access, we have used that. Okay, now integrating with DynamoDB, which we were doing but had some issue, so I'll check with another region. Okay, so give me some time. But after that, what we have done is integrating with Git and GitHub, how to create workspace and how to check the drift. Okay, so these are the topics which is there in our syllabus and we have completed. And there was few things which was not there but I have added, which I felt it easy. Okay, so like that in a AWS we have more than 200 plus services, but it is not possible to do on that all. Okay, so you people can do things whatever have given, you can work on this, and more than beyond that you have a Terraform registry where you can take and do small changes and understand everyday hands-on practices required. Okay, fine. So I think this is the concept for Terraform. Okay. Now I will tell you, anyone has any confusion or any doubts with respect to Terraform, please let me know. I'll take it up. If no, then I'll go with the next thing, that is our resume preparation and few of the concept. And whoever was already listening to me third time, then please bear with me. Okay. I'll take 15 minutes of your time, and I'll tell you. Okay. Until that, I will fix, if time permits, I will fix that issue and show you how is the output. Okay, fine. Let's say this is our resume. Okay, and what are the things you should do? Okay, first thing is your profile. Okay, where your address should come. Okay, your contact details should be there. Contact details might be your email ID, or your phone number. Okay, anything. Okay, that should be your first concept. 1 minute. Let me change the font size. Hmm. Email ID and phone number. Okay, and your address. Let's say if you're searching in Bangalore, then address should be Bangalore only. If you're searching for any other state, any state, particular state, Chennai or Hyderabad, whichever you've mentioned that state, sorry, address. Okay, and then second thing what you have to do is, you, if possible, add your photo, professional photo if possible, otherwise that's fine. Okay, and next thing what you have to do is, you have to go with the objectives. Objective should not be big. Okay, it should be 2 to 3 lines is enough. Write what you want to do and why they have to hire you in something, short you have to do it. Okay, then go with professional summary. Professional summary, make sure you definitely, if you are looking for the DevOps, then make sure you should definitely add your DevOps, few of the tools there. Okay, mention what you have done and what you have not done. Not done is fine, but you should, it should be so attractive, because your summary is everything for you. Okay, professional summary is most important. So make sure you write all the tools whichever you have worked on in very short, and explain about your summary. Okay, a professional summary. Then comes your, if you are a fresher, then mention the, that's fine. Okay, you can mention, not required, this professional summary is not required. Okay, and then coming to next is what, you have to mention your professional summary over. Okay, then you can start first with your skills, where you should mention all your, version control, git. Okay, and then CI/CD, Jenkins. In that way you have to mention, because few company will not tell directly Jenkins, few company will go with CI/CD. So mention CI/CD dash, then Jenkins, like that. Git version, version control, then mention git, dash, git, github, like that. Okay, skills should be there, and it should not be, don't write big things. In short, you write, keep a bullet point, and highlight it and write it in a bold. Okay, then you can mention your about your projects. Okay, 1 minute. Before skills also, if you have done any certification, you can mention your certification also here. Okay, then comes your project. Okay, in this project, what you are going to do, you are going to mention, whatever you have done. At least 5 projects should be here. Okay, make sure whichever tools you are into, right, write it in a very good way. Don't write like sentence. No one will see your sentence. Only what we have to mention is, crisp, short, mention line by line. Okay, that should be there. And whichever you use your target, if you're concentrating more on DevOps, mention more. If you're concentrating on cloud, then mention on cloud side more. Okay, whatever it is, no, that one. And then next one is what, next what you have to do is, you have to go with your, what experience. Okay, whatever it is, experience, mention that experience. Okay, then you can mention, okay, then otherwise in the project only you can mention which project, which company, and all those information you can mention, or else separately you can mention. Next, you can mention about your education. In education, mention the latest education, what it is there. Okay, latest education should be mentioned here. Okay, example, if you have done B.Tech, then go with B.Tech only. Okay, don't go with 10 second standard, 10 stand 12 standard, all those things is not required. Okay, you can only mention which year passed out, or don't mention the marks. Okay, because few companies, they say also judge on the percentage, so better don't mention the percentage. And then next what you have to do is, you have to go with the personal details. Okay, see, being a software engineer, we should not tell I can manage team, I am good at communication. That is not required. Okay, our concept is only skills, that is technical skills, not soft skills. Okay, so let's not do that. Okay, if some people prefer languages, but that's fine. If you are okay, then right, otherwise that's fine. Okay, I prefer not to write. Okay, but if it is okay, then if you can write it. Okay, personal details you can mention, and then what you have to do is you have to go with affirmation. So these are the steps you have to mention. Okay, see, again in this you have to follow, star method. Okay, so I believe star method most of them know. Okay, situation, task, action, and what is the solution you have given and what is the output for that. Okay, you have to follow the star method and you have to explain your project in that way. What was the task given, and how sorry, what was the situation, what was the task, what action you have done, and what you have given the in your output. Okay, what is the output of that? Okay, something react r, I forgot what it is. Okay, but reaction or some, not reaction, something. Okay, what is the resolution or what is the solution? Okay, how did you solve that? Okay, that you have to follow, and you have to keep that in your mind and have to do it. Okay, if possible, please maintain your GitHub. Okay, in that GitHub you can maintain, give your projects, all your projects should, you can mention it on your GitHub profile, and that will help you out. So whenever you can add this GitHub profile into your profile, what I can say, LinkedIn. Okay, on your LinkedIn you can add it, such that your LinkedIn is very much important. I'll come back to the LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the full method of the process, how to follow the resume. See, don't go with so fancy resumes. Please don't go with that. Okay, take the AI help of the AI help, and prepare the resume. Your terms, your grammar, your small syntax, whatever things are very much important. Okay, so many people are using AI to filter the resumes. So manual method are less, but automated method are more. So go with the proper AI and check and see what all best you can do and give your resume. Okay, first thing. Okay, this is resume preparation. Okay, then next one is what, how to how to set up a, how should you search a job, or how you have to approach the interviewer, and what is the process. Okay, first thing, here what we are going to do is, Indeed is must, sorry, not Indeed, LinkedIn. Okay, is must have profile for you people, and that should have more than, okay, 500 followers. Connection, not followers, connections. Okay, you have to have 500 connections every day, at least 5 to 10 minutes you have to scroll your LinkedIn, because that should show active to the recruiters. Okay, see, again, two types. Okay, there are two types of telling active, that you're searching for a job on your on your LinkedIn profile. You have an option below your below your profile, stating only hiring people should see, I am looking for a job, like that option you have. Because in your company, if they create mess, then that's fine. You no need to tell green profile and network, I'm open network, that is not required. Okay, you can hide that and you can give that option also you have. Okay, first thing. And then LinkedIn, in LinkedIn mention, make sure all your experience, your education, your skills, everything is mentioned. And okay, I coming to an AWS event, I'll tell you what is that. Okay, let's say if you're searching for, if you're working, if you're concentrating on DevOps, then you mention more about DevOps, some of the tools, or some of the questions you upload, some or something related to that, keep on uploading. And anything, any projects you have done, so you do it, post it. Okay, where the people can understand and you are active in this. Okay, first is this. And second, how do you go with the connections. Connection is, let's say if you're going with DevOps. Okay, then it should be completely search with the people DevOps. Okay, whichever company you're into DevOps, comma, then you have to go with Amazon, you want to go Infosys, you want to go Wipro, you want to go whichever you want to go, right? Whichever company you want to go. Okay, you can go and search like that, and you go with the people whom you can reach out, and they first, if you cannot reach out, they will be posting some or something, so that time notification you have. So those things is very much recommended. Okay, if possible, you can definitely send only one mail to any of the company members, stating that if there is a vacancy, then please, I prefer go with HR. Okay, and then you have to only one time, let's say if you have done for HR, then it should be HR only. You don't go with any other managers and put, because if they all talk to each other and they say that there is a candidate who has mailed me, then they might take it as suspicious. So please don't do that. Okay, so only one HR is enough. Then message, mail them stating why you want and all, and message should be very crisp why they should hire you. In that form, you should explain them, and then you have to you have to write in such a good way. Okay, not big, not small, but in crisp and easy. Okay, so this is your mail. you can do it. Okay, and then LinkedIn wala is these things. Okay, these are the concept. Again, your jobs will be there, but no more, some people say they are getting hired from this, but some people say there is no use of this. Okay, but LinkedIn is very much important for us, like an Aadhaar card for us. Okay, for our job purpose. So it's very much important that you people definitely go with this LinkedIn profile. Okay, LinkedIn profile should be there compulsorily. Then next, what you have to do is, okay, you have to search job where you have to search job in the two profile, that is Naukri is must. Okay, everyone know Naukri, but most of them don't know Indeed. Okay, which is also a good platform to check for the jobs. So please go with this. Okay, here what you have to do is, per day you should apply 70 jobs. Okay, how is that? I'll tell you. Here it's fine if you're applying for 25 to 30. This is not one day task. Again, I'm saying, okay, job, I'll say job per month. Okay, per day. Per day. Okay, job per day, short form. Okay. Now, how is it possible to apply this and at what time? Right? So between 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. Max is 11 a.m. In between this only you should apply your job. Okay. Why? Because HRs will open their laptop between 9 to 10. Okay, that time if your profile is high and he or she is searching for the same candidature, then there is a chances of getting call for you. Okay, so this one, and your Naukri will take 15 minutes, 15 days of your time. Okay, 15 days to check whether you are really searching for a job. Okay, somebody who is very serious, they will definitely search every day. Okay, so then you have to it will take 15 days of algorithm. You don't get any calls. Okay, but after 15 days slowly you get start you start it starts getting call for you. Okay, so some people go with mail, some people will go with phone, but you should be active on both. When you are when if whenever you have applied for a job, you should be very active on that day. Okay, there is a chances that after 2 to 3 days you might get call. Okay, so you should be active, and whenever the interview is there, please don't postpone whatever timing is there. Please manage your daily task, and you just try to attend the interview. Okay, so your first day not possible to do apply for 70 jobs, but go with one first 10, then 15, then 20, then 25. Every day start increasing 5 5 5 5. So you can directly go and apply. Okay, see, it takes 1 hour. 1 hour is not yours. You have to think and you should sit on this and work. Okay, but don't go with company website, because if you go with company website all at once, it takes so much of time. Okay, company website, you go with saved jobs, you go with saved jobs. Okay, only apply, easy apply, you have an option, or you when you only apply will be there. Okay, that time you have to go and then apply all this kind of job. Company website job, you have to save it and post it later. Okay, why you have to say, keep it on company website also? Because they all your data will be stored in the company's website, and some whenever is required, then the data DB will give you the actions, and so person is eligible or something. Okay, if they go with a particular keyword, then they will find out. Okay, so it's recommended that you can go with the company website. Okay, see, you should try with all 360. Might be your referral, might be your job portal, might be your placement, might be anything. Okay, but you will definitely get placed. Okay, till now we have understood how to prepare resume, how to prepare LinkedIn, and how to apply jobs. Okay, but what after interview, during, before and after interview? Before interview, it's there that you should sit at least 10 minutes or 5 minutes early before in front of your laptop. Okay, and we know that we have to sit in that, I will not tell. Okay, sit in a calm place, as that your mind should be active and you don't get panic. Okay, so first thing, so in your interview, first part is you should be very honest. Honest is everything. Okay, honest is like, tell, if you know, tell, if you don't know, tell that you have not worked. Okay, don't lie that you can. If you are lying, the opposite person will definitely definitely know that you have not done. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, that's what I'm saying. In the market there are hundreds of tools. Okay, but not everyone know all the tools, right? So what you should do, master in any of the 2 or 3 tools. Okay, be perfect in that. Try working only on that, and you will definitely get placed. Okay, so and after that, during interview period, make sure whatever you are, go through JD first. Okay, you should definitely go through the JD. Okay, then after going through JD, what you people should do, whichever the terms they have given, no, that you should concentrate. Okay, in JD, let's say if they have concentrating on Terraform and they are concentrating on Jenkins and they are concentrating on the AWS, right? So your target should be only for these three, rest all you can avoid. Okay, and you tell him to ask the questions from this only. Okay, see how you perform your in the resume, based on that only he will ask the question. Okay, so make sure you people should definitely know, like all these things whatever you have done, find it. Okay, tell. And that you, if he or she ask you, tell me about your projects, then tell in the what was the situation, what was the task given, what was the action required, and what was the resolution for that, how did you solve that, resolve that. Okay, those things you have to tell them. Okay, and then you modify. Okay, you are the only source of ask questions to be, what questions you are giving a source to ask a question for an interviewer. So you should definitely know what you are telling, words you are, if you are not confident enough in the particular topic, please don't talk about that topic. Okay, so that's it. You have to do it. And Yeah, interview, before interview, after interview. And make sure interview don't wait more than 3 to 5 days. Between this stay only your update should be there. If beyond that, then don't waste your time on that. If calls is not coming back, then leave it. You have not selected, that's the reason you did not get. So don't waste your time or don't invest much time that you will get. Okay, and in rare case after 1 month also you might get call. Okay, why? Because the whole first thing, you might get selected but position is on hold. Okay, somebody has quitted after 1 month, he say no, I don't want to come, I got another job, then there is a chances of getting you call. Okay, so it's like that. So these are the process and steps in the interview. The most part of the important thing in this process is your patience. Okay, you should not give up, but you should not yes, first is you should not give up, and you should not think that everything will happen in just a stretch. Okay, it is time taken process, and it's not easy also, because like you, one job, there are thousands of people who are searching for it. Okay, so how he or she will understand that 1 minute. Okay, so this is the process of the interview and job things. And again, in your what I can say, job profile, it's not only limited to DevOps. Okay, they not proper DevOps you get. You might be getting IT engineers, okay, but working on the DevOps and cloud consultant for DevOps, AWS consultant, some or something, okay, or you might be into different roles, okay. But make sure you check the JD, what it is, how it is, and check on that. And if the tools are related to AWS and AWS and DevOps, then please go through it, okay. So make sure, it's my personal opinion, okay, but it's up to you. Make sure get one job, then only quit a job. Until then, don't quit the job, okay. Why? There are two psychological reason behind this. One, if you don't have job, okay, and your job is getting delayed, then it's a mental pressure for you to say that you are not getting, and that might bring your confidence level down. And that period of time you get little more nervous, and there's a chances of getting not selected, because your mind is not constant. You are under pressure, and that pressure is making you not to concentrate on the study part and concentrate on things. Okay, so if you have job, then you have job, there is another option for you. Okay, and then you can concentrate more, and if something happens not happening also, you have still backup for you, right? So backup is always good, B plan is always good. So it's my personal suggestion, but it's up to you. Okay, so always make sure one job you get, then only you go with the next, sorry, offer letter should be there, then only quit it. Until that, don't quit it. Okay, so these are the things, because market outside the world is so difficult, because the competition is like that. And they see difficult, but it's not impossible. Possibilities are there, but there's so much competition, so we have to wait it, and you will definitely get it. So only I told, patience is the most important key in this process. That's it. Yes, anyone has any questions? Few people has messaged me in the channel. It's not possible for me to message, because I don't know what message, in the sense I can, but I should understand what is the error. For that I need configuration file, I should know what is the error. Okay, so error will tell, but why error happened, for that I should check what you have done, right? So because there are so many people who have not continually attended, only few, very very few people have attended regularly, so you might not understand, right? So that's the reason. You can ask me, I will stay back. If you have doubt, then ask me. If no doubt, then we can leave. Yes, anyone has any question, then you can ask. I'm open to answer the question.
I don't have any questions, but your teaching skills is good for me. Thanks for the time and everything.
Thank you, Shiva. Thanks for your feedback. If possible, I really appreciate your feedback. Please give your feedback so that it will keep me motivated to tell that yes, which are the areas I have to improve and what best I can do for the upcoming students. Okay, thanks, Shiva. Thank you so much. Yes.
No doubts. No doubts for me.
Yeah. Thank you. So please, go with DynamoDB and share the screenshot. Okay. Troubleshoot. Take this as a project. Okay. I have mentioned most of the steps there. Only few errors are there. You have to do it and send me the screenshot. Okay. So apart from them, anyone has any questions? I think Prakash, I message you have any doubts. If you want, you can share your screen and I'll be guiding you if you are okay. If no, then that's it.
No doubts for me. I cleared the. Actually, I was working a Windows machine first.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm working on a Mac. That's why I called.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yes, Mac
Okay.
configuration is little different because there are so many dependencies we have to do it. But Mac is not like that. But now it's working.
Actually, I'm working on a Mac for the first time. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why
Okay, okay.
I little nervous and confused.
No problem.
I'm
I also
confused.
never use. Yeah, yeah. I also did not work on this Mac because I'm not okay with Mac. Okay. So, yeah. So, okay, Prakash, but still we can figure it out what best we can do. Okay. If you have doubts, you can ask me. If no, then we can wind up. Anyone has any questions
No
with
doubts for
any of the
me
things?
now.
Okay, fine. Done.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Anyone has any questions, any queries, anything?
We don't have any questions, but after this class, we can ask the questions, right? If I need anything.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. But one thing, what is the error? What was the configuration? These are the three steps I want. Okay, two steps. Okay, one, what you did. Second, what was the error? Third, what you are achieving for. Okay, let's say you are working. What should be the output? Why it is showing? Okay, these things you can tell me and follow it. If anything is there, most of the time, try to troubleshoot so that it will teach you so many other prospects and so many other commands. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then, if nothing is there, we can wind up. Thank you, one and all, for attending the class. It was so good. But I believe like Shiva was the only person who attended, and Deenata, I
Peanut.
guess. Deenan, sorry, huh? Only two people have seen regularly. Rest all no. It's like random come and go. It's like that. Thank you. But you people supported me. Otherwise, it was so boring for me. Who is understanding? I don't know. Okay. Regular students will understand. Then the one who is coming and going will not understand. Anyways, no problem. Thank you for your support. Okay. If anything is there, please let me know. I'll be teaching you, helping you out. Might be our class ended, but journey will be there. Okay. Please give your
Yeah.
feedbacks
Thank
if
you so
possible.
much. Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Where we can give the feedbacks? They'll give any links, or we have to update in that group. That's it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Updates in the groups is enough for me. Okay. That is enough for now. Okay.
Yeah, we'll edit my resume and everything. If it possible to verify once, not now. So when you have time.
Haha, you edit and send me whatever I've told you, know, those inputs. If
Yeah.
everything is there, if anything to add or remove, I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks
Yeah.
for support.
Yeah, thank you. So I have the Telegram channel where I have created all my students there. Where groups is like so many groups. I don't know which group, what and all, right? Few students are very serious. Okay, for those students, I'll be giving the link. Who are serious? Who will just come and go? I will not give them. Okay, so where I will be adding or sharing job profiles might be there. There are so many things only related to professional thing. Okay, apart from that, no student will message there. Only my messages will be there. Okay, so if anyone
Okay.
is interested in joining their link, you can tell me. I'll send you the link. Okay, but not in the group. That is a part. Okay, that
Okay.
one thing. And yeah, see, one more thing I want to tell. There is one events which will be going on online, offline. If you people are in Bangalore, then attend. If no, then online events you can attend. That is AWS event, which I told. I'll be telling. Okay. So in this event, what will be the things is this? They will be telling you the new generation was like new upcoming trends, what is happening in the current world. Okay, there you get connections, you build connections, you find people there, you can directly tell them if see I'm looking for so and so thing for this role, if anything is there please let me know. And very reputed companies people will come, and who are very serious about the career, only those people will come. People like just come and go, pass like a cloud, those type of people will not come there. Okay, they are very serious about their career, and like you get so many outputs from there. Okay, benefits I can say. So if possible please try to attend those kind of events. And those events I'll be sharing in the link, that is our Telegram channels. Okay, so you people, if possible, please attend. And I think I have shared yesterday one link that is online. Okay, if possible, attend, register that, and compulsory you people should register, because AWS, what they do is not only AWS, okay, might be Microsoft, Google, so many other companies also, okay, like data companies also will be coming and giving. But I am not like I don't follow those things, so I will not get updates. But coming to DevOps, AWS, I will be following very regularly, and I have attended most of the events. Okay, where you get connections, where you get the people's input, and then there you can have the like-minded people. Anyone, okay, might be there are so many people like you who are looking, but they don't have opportunity, or they have opportunity, or they want a candidate. So it's like that, vice versa. Okay, so attend that. Create, see, network is everything in the professional world. You have more network, then you have more opportunities to grow. Okay, so you network building is not like, I say I don't want to go out. Online is, no, offline is very very good than online. Okay, ulta I told, huh? You should be offline, you have to be there offline, because in offline you see people, you see what is the competition, you see what is the outside world, you see how people are competitive, many insights you get. Okay, so I recommend you people to join, go attend some events like that. It's free. Again, the question comes, it's free. They provide you food, they provide you everything. Okay, breakfast they provide, lunch they, if it is full day they provide all three, two times food, and with snacks, evening snacks, and they give you some goodies. Okay, that also will be there. When everything is free, then only traveling is your part, rest all is given by them. Okay, so it is like that. I don't entertain paid version, but I entertain the free version, whichever is possible. So you do it. Okay, and yeah, if anything comes up like job profile, or anything which is related to work, I can say, there I'll be sharing. Okay, and I make sure like, if one of other person is getting job because of me, and I'll be very happy person, because uh, one person job will bring so much smile in one family, right? So I predict that the one who has job is fine, but the one who is really eagerly searching for anything, I believe it, and I ask the same student to refer another student if possible, because he or she, see, they will get referral first thing, and the other one is another candidate is getting job, right? So I say people talk to each other, make a friendly behavior, so that you people are getting something. No personal thing should be come here. Okay, only thing is related to your job. Okay, so these are the things which I encourage my students to follow. So I thought I have started it recently. Wherever I found it serious students, I asked them to join, and who are not, I will not even tell them about this. Okay, so these are the things, that is my personal things I feel, and I feel like I have to, whatever I can contribute I can do it. So you people do. Okay, so this is the event which I have not told most of the batches, but I told this because I have sufficient time. Okay, so that's it. You people do it and follow it. If anyone want that link, please let me know, I will share. And I request you, please give me the feedback, I'm waiting for your feedback.
Yes.
Okay, then everyone, happy journey. All the best for your career. If anything, let me know. Bye bye.
Yeah, sure.
Thank
Thank you. Bye.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am.